Falcons are remarkable birds of prey. They are known for their speed and agility, which make them formidable hunters. Falcons have exceptional eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Different species of falcons specialize in hunting particular prey. Some falcons target smaller birds in flight, while others have evolved to hunt animals on the ground. Their hunting strategies are just as diverse as their prey. Falconry, the art of hunting with trained birds of prey, is an ancient practice. It requires a deep understanding between falcon and handler. This bond is built on trust and respect. Training a falcon is a long and patient process. It begins with familiarizing the bird with the handler's presence. Gradually, the falcon is trained to respond to commands. Food rewards are used to reinforce desired behaviors. This training process can take months, even years. While falcons are renowned for their hunting prowess, using them to hunt deer is a feat rarely seen. The size difference between predator and prey is significant, making the hunt a true spectacle of nature's power and precision. The falcon's role isn't to bring down the deer single-handedly. Instead, the bird harasses the deer from the air, using its talons and beak to confuse and disorient the prey. This makes the deer vulnerable to the falconer and any accompanying hunting dogs. Falconry might seem like a relic of the past, but it continues to be practiced around the world. It plays a vital role in cultural heritage and wildlife conservation. Falconers often work closely with conservationists to monitor bird populations and protect their natural habitats. Falconry also promotes responsible hunting practices, emphasizing the sustainable management of prey species. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, falconry offers a unique blend of tradition and conservation, reminding us of the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world.